Hey guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you are here with me today. We are going to transform these Dollar Tree heart frames into a really cute door hanger. So I already made one of them and we're going to connect these two hearts together. I'm going to show you how to make what I did here, but with a different color pattern. So this is going to be more of a farmhouse. So you're going to pick whatever Valentine's Day ribbon or just solid ribbon that you want to use. It doesn't have to be farmhouse. And I like to turn my form upside down. And I'm just going to fold over the ribbon. I'm going to lay a little hot glue down. Don't get crazy. Don't get crazy. And then make sure that that ribbon meshes together, and I like to start on the edge of the V. You see that? All right, we're going to match it just a little bit. I'm going to go over it. Okay, just double doing it, and now we're just going to start wrapping our frame. So I like to keep mine nice and tight, and I like to go about halfway up the ribbon. So this is a 2.5 inch ribbon. I would recommend using a 2.5 inch ribbon when wrapping a form. I mean, you can use a smaller ribbon. It's just going to take a lot more material and a lot more of your time. So we're just sliding it up, and we're going to keep on going it. You want to keep it pretty tight as we go. And I'm looking at the back side of this work form right now, of this heart. And once we get up to the curve, we're going to kind of just keep on pulling it tight, making sure that our ribbon is looking good and there's no weird gaps. I like to put hot glue down every so many turns, just in case. I mean, it should be fine, but we're just going to merge that together. And I always glue on the back side of my frame, okay? Woohoo! How's everyone doing today? Welcome in. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday. Wonderful Tuesday. I realized I hadn't made one of these double heart forms, little door hangers, and these are so cute and easy. Something that you can make for your own front door. Okay, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but don't worry, I have faith in you, okay? So we gotta go. Hold on, let me untwist that. It's gonna get a little twisted because we're wrapping it and wrapping it and wrapping it, but just that's okay. So I like to go to the other side, okay? Wrap that side first, and then I come up through the middle, okay? That's way I know both of these are going to be covered. I can go up the middle to give to that nice point, okay? And then we're just going to keep on going around and wrapping it. You're going to want to make sure that whatever ribbon you choose, that you can throw it through the middle of your form. Hold on, this is getting super crazy. Hold on, let me untwist this real quick. My YouTube fam. Okay. There we go. And I am facing, I'm looking at the front of my form. I'm about to flip it to the back though, because we're going to need to glue it. Let's do that now. Add a little bit of glue. It's been a little bit. A little bit of glue. It doesn't need to be globby. I'm barely pressing down on my hot glue gun. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, we're going to keep on going. Oh, I did it the wrong way. But this is really fun. You can do this with a solid red ribbon, pink ribbon, glittered ribbon. It'd be really, really cute if farmhouse isn't your vibe. But this is just a good little fun project that you can do. And it just requires a roll of ribbon. And you can use the same ribbon on both hearts if you want. I just think it's fun to kind of change it up and do different colors. Hold on, let me unroll that a little bit. Untwist. We're getting all twisted up. Oh, as I throw it over onto my other heart. That's fine. Okay, so we're coming down to the corner again. And I like just to do that same thing. I'm going to wrap it one more time right here. And then I'm going to come back up and around. Okay. One more time. And we're going to come all the way up. Hold on, let me go one more time. Yeah, that's what I want. One more time. Up and around. And I'm making sure that I'm going over that corner so that corner is nice and hidden. And now this is our back side. So I'm going to come and lay down some glue again, just a little bit. Doesn't need to be really gobby. Just a little. And fold it right like that. Press it down. Be careful that you don't burn yourself. And then we're just going to trim that right off. Okay, we're going to sit that. And we're going to let it dry for just a second. I'm going to clean up this ribbon. Okay. I'm going to slim down the edges just in case. Perfect. So now we have two really cute, fun ribbon hearts. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. So I'm going to put these together. So you can put them together like this. I mean, there's so many ways that you could do this. I kind of want them stacked. Doing it like this. Ooh, yeah, I like it like that. So just kind of play around with it how you like it. That's fun. I kind of want it a little different. And all I'm going to do, guys, because guess what? We're going to put a beautiful bow right there. I'm just going to connect these down with a pipe cleaner for right now. Maybe 2 pipe cleaners. Because we're going to be adding in that fun bow. So let's add in a couple pipe cleaners. You know what? I'm such a silly goose. Hold on. Let me add a little bit of glue. Hold on, guys. Let me add a little bit of glue. Duh. Duh, silly goose. Silly goose. Okay, a little bit of glue. Reinforce it with those pipe cleaners. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, I love that. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, so now I'm going to add in a really fun bow. I actually picked different ribbon to go with it because I thought it would kind of pop a little bit more. versus using the ribbon that are on the hearts. Now everything coordinates. You know, this has the plaid in it. This has our red glitter. Of course, we're just going to do a solid ribbon as well to really capture that farmhouse vibe. So I'm going to start with our black and white ribbon. And we're just going to do a simple bow, doing 6-inch tails and 5-inch loops times 2. So 2 6-inch tails and 2 5-inch loops. We're just going to pinch that right in the middle. And we're going to take our beautiful canvas heart ribbon, trim that up just a little bit. We're going to do 6 inches. And we're going to still do 5-inch loops. So 2 5-inch loops and 2 6-inch tails. I'm going to take the black and white again. Another 6-inch tail. And we're going to shrink down our loops to 4.5. 6-inch tail again. And we're going to come in with this fun heart ribbon that I'm in love with. Clip off that end. We do 6-inch tails, lay that right on top. And then 2 4.5-inch loops. We're going to flip that ribbon around our thumb for that center loop. And another 6-inch tail. If you're using a bow maker, that is totally cool too. We're going to come in with a cable tie. And right where we're holding all of our ribbon, we're going to come in and around. And then we're going to take a pipe cleaner, slide that right through. Make it really nice and tight. Flip off that extra cable tie. I'm going to twist this around the cable tie. And now we're going to fluff out our bow. Now that's nice and secure. And we're going to go around and dovetail all of the ends. So we're just going to fold that ribbon in half and cut at an angle. Ooh. All right, there we go. Fold in half, cut at an angle. Okay, so now we have our cute little bow to go in the middle of our double heart door hanger. We're just going to wrap this right around. We're going to smush it. It's going to be okay because we will fluff it back out. I'll show you just a second. Show you first and then we'll smush it because we got to clean up the back. I'm going to show you how to do that. But that just hides, right? Look how cute that is. That is so fun. Okay, we're going to smush the bow. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, though. Let's clean up these pipe cleaners. So we're just going to take our nippers and snip off. Push them down. And then this, I am going to take a little bit of this ribbon and glue it on just to hide our mechanics a little bit. Ooh, is my hot glue gun? I turned it off because I have my glue pot going. Give me 1 second. We got big globs of glue on this thing. There we go. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Let me paint some glue on. Ooh, that was a lot. Don't burn yourself, Court. Don't burn yourself. Okay, we're going to paint it on. I'm just going to come in gently. Pat, pat, pat. So now all of that mess is hidden. Let me come in and trim this up a little bit. Okay. All right, let's flip it back over. Oh! But no worries, we're using wired ribbons. We're just going to go around, put our hands in those loops, and fluff that bow right up. Super, super cute, super fun project that you can do for your front door. I love these. I think they're just so fun. Edge it up, and then you can hang it. You can hang it on this side. You can hang it more in the middle. I kind of like it like crooked looking. I think it's so, so cute and so fun. So I am going to show y'all how to do a little door hanger on here. Let me look where I want it. Yeah, I want it right on this little edge right here. I'm going to smush my bow again. So I'm just going to take a pipe cleaner. I'm going to make little holes in my ribbon just for more stability. I'm going to slip it through. Twist, twist, twist. Here comes the hot glue. When in doubt, hot glue it out. We're going to reinforce it with some hot glue so that ribbon doesn't fray on us later, okay? Here I am smushing the bow again. I should have done this before I fluffed up my bow. That's okay, though. Okay? And then we're just going to bring this up and around and then twirl them around and make our little door hanger. So that is what we will hang right here. We can make that smaller on our door, okay? Okay, well, I'm sorry, I gotta wait for that to dry. But y'all saw the finished piece. I hope you loved it. This is super, super cute. And this is a good shop filler too. If you need a lower price point in your Etsy shop or on your online, e-commerce store, this is a great little shop filler that is low budget, but you can still have something really, really cute on your front door. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.